Exercise 2, number 1. D is the best choice. The difference between fortune cookies being associated with Chinese cuisine but being developed entirely in America. Contradictor. 2 is showing the cause and effect. Global warming has led to all these bad things, and as a result, or for this reason, we've tried to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. That's cause and effect. Number 3, they're both about the benefits of physical education and the different things that these classes do. So a continuer like moreover is the best choice. Number 4, we're talking about Hong Kong being densely populated, being full of tourists and businessmen, as well as the 7 million people who live there. So not to mention is the best transition. 5, the president must maintain his position, and then otherwise the public is going to think these bad things about him. So that's cause and effect for number 5. B, so that is the best choice. So 6 is saying unless this first thing happens, then this second thing is going to happen. Unless is the best choice, kind of like a cause and effect or a sequence of events. I don't think unless was on our table. So 7 is showing the difference between Sam and Juno, comparing them directly. The contradiction can be established with a word like whereas. Number 8 is a bit of a cause and effect. The Mongols, better equipped, have more men, know exactly how to dismantle defenses. So, fighting them is a hopeless endeavor. Number 9 talks about guavas originating from places like Mexico or Central America, and now they're cultivated in many different places. So should be a contradictor there, and none of these other choices do that. A is the best choice. We see the adverb now does a pretty good job of establishing the contrast. In 10, we have a general statement listed, and then we have a specific example in the second sentence. So, for instance, is the best choice. In 11, we have this idea that life can only flourish and it's been made obsolete, and they specify an example on Earth that fits that criteria. So even on Earth is to emphasize that not only in space, but even on our own planet, this is true. So 12 is comparing rock and pop, saying things they have in common, but then saying things that are different, like the motivations. So however is the best transition to establish that contradiction.